The four most dangerous words in investing are, "This time it's different," said Sir John Templeton. Now imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, your bank account says $0 and 0 cents. No connections, no savings, just a phone and Wi-Fi. Most people would panic, but here's the crazy thing. In 2026, starting from zero might actually be easier than at any point in human history, because the internet just did something insane. The tools that used to cost companies millions of dollars are now sitting in your pocket for $20 a month. AI, automation, global marketplaces. So today we're answering one simple question. If I had to start from $0 in 2026, what would I actually do? No hype, no get rich quick, just the $0 to $10,000 blueprint.
Let's zoom out for a second, because this moment has happened before. In the early 2000s, the internet created the first digital gold rush. People built blogs, YouTube channels, e-commerce stores. A guy named Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook from a dorm room. Another guy named Jeff Bezos turned an online bookstore into a $1.7 trillion company. But here's the twist. Back then, starting online was still hard. You needed coding skills, servers, expensive software. Today, AI writes the code. AI edits the video. AI builds the website. The barrier to entry just collapsed. And that's why this moment reminds me of the YouTube boom around 2012. The people who jumped in early, they built entire careers. But the people who waited are still saying, "I should have started back then."
Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. The biggest reason people stay broke is not lack of opportunity. It's skill stagnation. Let me show you something. According to global job data, AI-related freelance jobs grew 310% in the last 2 years. Video editing demand is up 85% since 2022. The freelance economy is now worth $1.5 trillion globally. And yet, most people spend 4 to 5 hours per day scrolling social media. Zero output, zero leverage, just dopamine. That's the real villain, not the economy, not inflation, not billionaires. It's digital distraction. Imagine trying to build a business while someone is ringing a slot machine next to your ear every 15 seconds. That's basically modern social media. So if I started from $0 today, my first goal wouldn't be money, it would be leverage. Here's exactly what I would do. Step by step. No fluff. Step 1, learn a digital skill. Income follows skills, not motivation, not affirmations. Skills. And right now, 3 skills dominate the online economy. 1, video editing. YouTube uploads 500 hours of video every minute. Every creator needs editors. Short-form content alone is exploding. TikTok, Reels, Shorts. A decent editor can charge $50 to $300 per video. 2, AI automation. Businesses are desperate to use AI, but most have no idea how. If you can build simple automations using tools like AI writing, workflow automations, chatbots, you instantly become valuable. 3, freelance digital services. Graphic design, thumbnail creation, copywriting. Simple stuff, but high demand. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer turn skills into global income streams. Your competition is worldwide, but so are your customers. Step 2, the first $100 online. This is where most people quit, because the first money online feels painfully slow. Your first sale might take 30 days, but once it happens, everything changes. Here's the strategy. Offer simple services. Don't build a business yet, just solve problems. Examples: edit a YouTube short for $20. Design a thumbnail for $15. Write captions for $30. You're not chasing money, you're chasing proof. Proof that strangers will pay you. Once you make $100 online, your brain rewires because now it's real. Step 3. Reinvest to reach $1,000. Now the game changes. The biggest mistake beginners make? They spend their first earnings. Instead, reinvest. Upgrade your tools. Better software, better education, better marketing. Example, spend $50 on better editing software. Suddenly, you can charge $100 per video instead of $20. That's leverage. Another move, build simple systems, templates, automation, repeat clients. Instead of chasing new customers, let the work compound.
Scaling to $10,000 online. Once you cross $1,000 online income, you're officially in the game. Now, scale. 3 ways. 1. Specialize. Don't be a freelancer. Become the YouTube Shorts editor or the AI automation expert for small businesses. Specialists charge 3 to 10x more. 2. Build an audience. Start documenting your journey. YouTube, TikTok, Twitter. Attention is the new currency. 3. Create digital products, templates, courses, guides. 1 product, unlimited sales. This is where income shifts from linear to exponential. The reality check. But let's be honest for a moment. This isn't easy. Most people will quit because learning skills takes time. Rejection hurts. Progress is slow. But here's the irony. Staying broke is hard too. Working a job you hate for 40 years is also hard. You just have to pick your hard.
The internet in 2026 is like a massive city. Some people wander around. Some people complain about rent, and a small group quietly build businesses. Starting from $0 doesn't guarantee success, but it forces something powerful: creativity, resourcefulness, hunger. And historically, those traits have built the biggest fortunes. So if I woke up tomorrow with nothing, no money, no safety net, just a laptop, I wouldn't panic because the real asset was never the money. It was the ability to create value from scratch. And in the digital economy, that skill might be the most valuable asset on Earth.